Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Mm.
Good evening, children. How are you all?
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am. How are
Fine.
you?
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
So let's start now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start our triangle chapter. Okay. Triangle chapter. So in triangle beta, first of all, the main important theorem is basic proportionality theorem. Very, very important theorem. Based on this theorem, definitely 100% questions will come in your exam. Okay, beta? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And sometimes this theorem is also known as, it's also called as Thales theorem. Thales theorem. And this is also a this theorem is always applicable in triangle only. Okay, beta? So let's start. In your exam, it can come like this: state and prove PPT theorem.
Good evening,
Okay?
ma'am.
Good evening, beta. So let's start first of all statement of the theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle intersect the other two sides and distinct points point. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now see what the theorem wants to say. First of all, we will draw the figure. Okay. So your figure will be so this is your triangle, beta. Fine. And you have to draw a line parallel to third side. So A, B, C, D and E. Clear? Where ABC is parallel to DE. And according to the statement, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersect the other two sides in distinct points. So distinct point means D and E. Clear? Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So first of all, you will write what is given here. So what is given? A triangle ABC in which BC is parallel to D. Now to prove, we have to prove they are in same ratio. It means AD upon BD will be equal to AE upon EC. Understood, children, this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
before starting the proving part, we have to do
Ma'am, can you
construction.
unscroll?
Just wait, beta. After construction part, then I will scroll down. Okay. Now, what you will do, you will draw the M perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Clear, beta? And you will join B to E and D to C. So construction you will write, draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AC. Fine. And also join B to E and C to D. So children, kindly note it down till the construction part. Hurry up. And turn on your videos.
Here we're going to prove it by congruence.
No, no, no. We will not apply the congruency part. We will apply the area of triangle. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Will they ask proving theorems in exams?
Yes, yes. They can ask. State and prove BPT theorem. Fine? Or converse of BPT.
Which means we have to prove that PC is parallel to DE. Right?
Yes, yes. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All have written?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Can you scroll once?
Yeah.
Up.
Down or up?
Up, ma'am.
Written, children?
Yes.
Only Abhinav has written. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, beta. In proving part, we need AD upon BD, right? This left hand side we need AD upon BD. So, to proving this, AD is coming in which triangle? ADE, right, children? And BD is coming in which triangle? This, BDE. So, take these two triangles. In triangle ADE and triangle BD. Now, what's the formula to find the area of triangle?
Half into base of height.
Yes, half into base into height. So children, if you are seeing this triangle, see this is the triangle. This is A, B, C, D and E. So if I'm talking about this, so in this triangle area ADE, so here perpendicular is DM, right beta? Base is AD. Clear children?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be half into base is AD and your height is DM. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Right. So now area of triangle BD. So this is the triangle BD. BDA. So here base is what? BD. Right children? Base is BD. And your height is again DM. Isn't it?
Oh, ma'am.
See beta. This is the triangle BD. This is D, this is E and this is B. So if I'm extending this BD, right? Then height will remain, the perpendicular will be the same now.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Okay, ma'am.
distance.
Got it, ma'am.
Yeah. So half into BD into DM. Clear children?
Yes, ma'am.
So now divide because we want these to a ratio. So divide equation 1 by 2. So you will write divide equation 1 by 2. So area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE is equal to half into AD into DM divided by half into BD into DM. Half cancel, DM cancel. So you will get AD by B.
I have one doubt, ma'am.
Is it? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, how in that area of BD that into DM came, ma'am? It is into D, no, ma'am?
This DMC. This is the triangle, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
So in triangle, two perpendiculars are there.
Yes, ma'am.
And both perpendicular will be equal or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this triangle has the same area. That's why. Even you can write here half into BD into this EN. And EN and DM will be the same. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So have you understood children till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
are we going to
Yes,
same
ma'am.
with doing with
Yes,
the
please
other
note this.
perpendiculars?
Yes, beta. In the same way we will do. Do it fast.
Done, ma'am.
All have done?
1 minute, ma'am.
5, 3. Yeah, yeah. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Aryan done? Abhinav, Sumox,
Yes.
Siddhishri,
ma'am.
Meher, Bhavna, Rizwana.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Rizwana, Bhavna done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So let's proceed to next step. Now again, we are having this triangle A, B, C, D, E, right? So here the perpendicular is EN, DM, and D this, right? So now we want AE upon EC, right, beta? So AE come in which triangle? Again AED.
AED.
So you will take in triangle AED. So area of AED will be
Half into
base is now AE and perpendicular EN, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your equation. Let this mark be A and this be 3. Now area of triangle DEC. What it will be? Half into. Now your base will be EC, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And your perpendicular will be DM. And DM and EN both are equal. So therefore, you can write it like this, half into EC into EN. Right, children? Mark this equation as 4. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now divide equation 3 by 4. So divide area of triangle AED upon area of triangle DEC is equal to half into EC into, half into AE into EN upon half into EC into EN. EN cancel, then it will be AE upon EC. Mark this equation as B. So now children see, we want both ratios should be equal, right? We want these ratios should be equal. But until or unless, if your left hand side will be equal, will not be equal, then you can't put right hand side equal, right, beta? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So see if you are observing that the triangle DBE and triangle DEC both are on the same base, right, beta? DE. Right, beta, children? They are on the same base, na? These two triangles, DBE and DCE.
Yes, ma'am.
And between the same parallel lines, DE and BC. So therefore, they will be having equal area. So what you will write here? You will write as triangle BDE and DEC are on the same base DE, and in between same parallel lines therefore their area should be equal. Their area should be equal. Mark this as C. So now from equation A, B and C. A, B and C. We get AB upon AD upon BD will be equal to AE upon AC. Hence proved. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
It was easy, na?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this.
Ma'am, can I scroll down?
Fine.
Ma'am, down.
Have you written this? Area
Yes,
of
ma'am.
triangle AET and DEC.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, could you scroll up, ma'am? I'm writing.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, tell me, have you done the case-based case study questions which I have shared yesterday? Have you done?
Ma'am, only one. There is two questions I did, ma'am.
Yes. Abhinav? Siddharth, Dharya, done?
Yes, ma'am, done, ma'am.
Rizwana, Bhavna,
I'll do it,
Siddish,
ma'am.
Ma'am, I'll do it.
Subhok?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am. Could you scroll down?
Okay. It's fine.
Ma'am, it is still showing that same thing.
Yes, Aryan?
Ma'am, I completed this, ma'am. Could you scroll down, ma'am?
All have done? Yes, children, you all have written this theorem? Speak up, children.
Yes, ma'am, done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can sit in the class like deaf and dumb. Done. Good. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So have you done, children? May I proceed to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll?
1 minute, ma'am.
Scroll up or down? Beta, up or down? Sumuk.
Ma'am, down.
Fine.
Yes.
Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, beta. Now corollary is there. So we have AD upon BD is equal to AE upon AC. So now you will add 1 to the both side. Clear, beta? Now take LCM BD. BD plus AD you will get. And then take LCM EC. Then you will get AE plus EC. So now this was your triangle. A, B, C, D and E. So see numerator part, children, when you are adding AD and BD, what you will get? AB side? Clear? And when you are adding AE and EC line segments, then you will get AC divided by EC. This is the corollary. Or AD upon AB or AE upon AC. Clear, beta?
Ma'am,
Children,
what is
see,
corollary,
ma'am.
ma'am?
means special case.
Okay.
Okay. It means this
Okay.
theorem gives this also.
Ma'am, what is corollary?
The case of this theorem, it means that this theorem give this thing also. This is a special result, right? Please note this also.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan want to sleep?
No, ma'am.
Done?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, see which type of questions came in your exam based on this theorem. See, suppose you have given ABC triangle and DE, right? And sometime they can give you like this is 2.4 centimeter, this is 4.2 centimeter, this is X centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. Then find AE. So how you will find this? So here D is parallel to BC, right, beta? So if in any triangle, third side is parallel, one line is drawn to the third side, then their side should be in ratio. So AD upon BD will be equal to AE upon EC, right, beta? So value of AD is 2.4 and this is 4.2. AE is X and EC is 5. Now cross multiply. So value of X will be 2.4 into 5 upon 4 point. So it will be 6 and it will be 7. So 30 by 7, or you can write and around 4.2 something, right, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This will be the answer. Understood? So how you will solve questions based on this PPT? So children, your today's homework is that you will revise this BPT theorem. Tomorrow I will take you a small test of 5 minutes and I will see your notebooks also. And you will solve question number 1 and 2 from your NCERT textbook. Okay? Exercise 6.2, question number 1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Repeat the question name again, ma'am. Number.
So all have done this?
Ma'am, repeat the question number again.
Yes, Abhinav?
Repeat the question number again, ma'am.
Question number 1 and 2, beta.
Completed. ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.